Hey guys, Nick with 2, how do you do? In this video I just want to show off an ornamental piece that I made recently. It's just these two circles with some leaf work over here and some scrolls in the middle. And connecting pieces, let's see if I can bring it down here. These are actually parts, I think there are some gear on a lawnmower. So they have gear, little grooves in them, and I twisted them. So it gives a nice spiral pattern. This is about maybe 18 inches in diameter in the large circle, and about 8 inches in diameter for the small circle. These are all 1/4 inch bar, either spiraled and forged down, neck down, and then at the base, most of them, or all of them, are forged welded together and then peened in. For these, I couldn't get a hold of the outside and the circle at the same time to peen it in, so I had to weld those. Um, but from the front side, it looks very, very nice. So let me know what you think. If anyone's interested, you can email me at nickwoo22@gmail.com, or I might put it up on my website, woometalworks.com. Thanks for watching, guys.